This video is an introduction to translations or transformations of equations. So if we have a problem like this that says find g of x, where g of x is the translation 2 units up of f of x, and f of x equals 4 times x plus 3. So this is the equation for f of x. And we're going to transform this, and we're going to move it 2 units up so that it becomes g of x. So we're going to transform it, okay? And we're going to write our answer in the form of mx plus b. So I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this, so don't worry if you feel a little bit nervous. So we're going to do transformations of f of x, and then we're going to do the transformation of the graph of f of x becomes g of x, okay? So if we have a problem like this that says f of x plus k, that means translate k units up. If we have f of x minus k, that means we translate k units down. Over here, we're going to do a translation 2 units up. So that means we would just add k to that, which means add 2. So let's see how that looks. So translating a graph 2 units up is equivalent to the function transformation of this. G of x equals f of x plus 2, which is what we have here, okay? So now let's just put in our equation 4x plus 3, which is here. This is our f of x, and then we add 2 to it, which is this. So now our equation is, our new equation, g of x, has been transformed to 4x plus 5, okay? So what's important to understand for this one is, for this scenario, we modify the output. This is the output of f of x. This is the y value of it, okay? And we just add 2 to it. Now, what if we had find g of x, where g of x is the translation 2 units left of f of x equals 4x plus 3. So we're going to translate this one 2 units left, okay? So we have to understand this part of the chart now, okay? So when we're translating h units left, this is what happens. And this is what happens when we translate h units right, okay? So what does that mean in terms of this equation? Well, if we transform it now, g of x is going to be equal to f of x plus 2, because we're translating 2 units left, right? 2 units left, you put x plus h, x plus 2 here, okay? So that means for our original equation, we have 4x plus 2. We put in x plus 2 for x. We substitute x plus 2 for x. That's what we've done, okay? We had 4x plus 3, but our x has changed to x plus 2 because we're translating it 2 units left. So for this scenario, we modify the input, okay? So that means g of x becomes, if you multiply this out, 4x, and then 4 times 2 is 8, and then plus 3. So then it becomes 4x plus 11. So that's how these two are different, okay? One affects the output and one affects the input. And that's how you do that type of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. In there, you'll find a link to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.